We begin the installation by removing the 3 plastic fasteners on the trim panel beneath the glove box on the passenger side. A fastener removal tool is recommended, but it is possible to use a flat screwdriver or similar tool. Once the fasteners are removed, pull the panel down and locate the security gateway module. Notice how the gateway module is near the center of the vehicle next to the carpet edge. There is another connection nearby that has the same connector, but only the gateway module connection will allow the device to work. Ensure the vehicle has been off for at least 5 minutes before holding down the latch and disconnecting the 8-wire harness from the gateway module. Install the Autostop Eliminator device in line between the wiring harness and the gateway module. Once connected, tuck the device between the carpet and the carpet insulation. Position the trim panel into place and insert the 3 plastic fasteners. There's no harm in reusing the fasteners, but we include new fasteners in our kit just in case. Once the device is installed, the device will remember when you turn Auto Start Stop off and will maintain that off setting automatically. After cycling the ignition, we see the device maintaining the off setting.